Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Are you experiencing problems with your PlayStation 5 disk drive in 2025? Many users report issues like disks not reading, games failing to load, or strange clicking sounds. Don't worry, most of these common problems can be resolved quickly at home without needing a repair shop. This easy guide provides straightforward steps to troubleshoot and fix your PS5 disk drive, getting you back to gaming in no time. We will cover everything from simple restarts to physical cleaning methods. Before diving into more complex solutions, let's cover the essential first steps. A full power cycle often resolves many minor glitches. Simply turn off your PS5 completely, unplug it for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and restart. Next, navigate to your settings and confirm your system software is absolutely up to date. Sony frequently releases updates that improve stability and fix various bugs, sometimes even addressing disk drive performance. These simple actions can surprisingly fix the problem. If basic resets don't work, physical obstructions might be the culprit. Over time, dust, small fibers, or even pet hair can build up inside the disk drive slot, interfering with disk reading. To address this, use a can of compressed air. With your PS5 turned off, give short, gentle bursts of air into the disk slot to dislodge any debris. Remember to hold the can upright and avoid spraying liquid propellant. This simple cleaning can often resolve many disk reading errors effectively. What if a disk is stuck inside your PS5 and won't eject? Don't force it out. The PlayStation 5 has a manual eject screw designed for this exact situation. First, power off and unplug your console completely. Then, carefully remove the decorative cover plate to expose the inner components. Look for a small black screw near the disk drive mechanism. Turning it gently with a small Phillips head screwdriver will slowly push the disk out. Always proceed with extreme caution during this step to avoid damage. While many disk drive issues are fixable at home, sometimes the problem lies deeper within the console's hardware. If you've tried all these steps and your PS5 disk drive still isn't working, it's likely time to consider professional assistance. Check your console's warranty status with Sony. If it's still under warranty, contact their official support for repair or replacement options. For out-of-warranty consoles, a reputable certified repair technician can provide the necessary diagnosis and service safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.